Resveratone Diet, traditional Japanese herb complex that helps with weight loss in just weeks. In recent years, there has been an increasing interest in alternative approaches to weight loss. The Resveratone diet has emerged as a unique and promising method among the various solutions that have gained popularity. Rooted in traditional Japanese herbal medicine, this herb complex has been praised for its potential to aid weight loss in just a matter of weeks. The Resveratone diet, its components, how it works, and the science behind its purported benefits. What is the Resveratone diet? The Resveratone diet uses a specific herb complex containing resveratone, an active compound in certain Japanese herbs. Resveratone is a potent antioxidant known for its potential health benefits, particularly in weight management. When incorporated into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, resveratone is believed to contribute to significant weight loss in a relatively short period. The history of resveratone. Resveratone is deeply rooted in the rich history of traditional Japanese medicine. Ancient herbal practitioners discovered the potential of resveratone-rich herbs in promoting overall well-being. Over the centuries, these herbs have been used to address various health concerns, including weight management. Today, modern science is catching up with this ancient wisdom, uncovering the unique properties of resveratone and its positive effects on the body. Understanding traditional Japanese herbal medicine. Traditional Japanese herbal medicine, known as Kampo, has been a fundamental part of Japan's healthcare system for generations. Kampo draws from the knowledge of Chinese herbal medicine but has evolved into a distinctive practice. The holistic approach of Kampo aims to restore balance and harmony within the body, supporting its natural ability to heal and thrive. Resveratone-rich herbs are often prescribed in Kampo to address weight-related issues and promote overall health. How resveratone aids weight loss. Accelerating metabolism. One of the fundamental mechanisms through which resveratone aids weight loss is boosting metabolism. A faster metabolism enables the body to burn calories more efficiently, reducing stored fat. Suppressing appetite. Resveratone has been found to have appetite-suppressing effects, which can benefit those struggling with overeating and emotional eating patterns. It becomes easier to maintain a balanced and controlled diet by curbing cravings and reducing hunger. Enhancing fat oxidation. Fat oxidation is the process by which the body breaks down fat molecules and converts them into energy. Resveratone has been shown to enhance this process, helping the body utilize stored fat as a fuel source, especially during physical activity. Balancing blood sugar levels. Stabilizing blood sugar levels is essential for weight management, as fluctuations in blood sugar can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Resveratone has been studied for its potential to support stable blood sugar levels, thereby reducing the risk of overeating. The science behind resveratone's effects. Extensive research is being conducted to understand the science behind resveratone's weight loss effects. Several studies have demonstrated the compound's impact on metabolism, fat oxidation, and appetite regulation. While more research is needed, the initial findings are promising, providing a solid rationale for its inclusion in weight management programs. Incorporating resveratone into your diet. Before incorporating resveratone into your diet, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. A personalized approach, based on individual health needs, is crucial to maximize the benefits of resveratone for weight loss. The Resveratone diet, rooted in the wisdom of traditional Japanese herbal medicine, offers a unique and potentially effective approach to weight loss. With its ability to boost metabolism, suppress appetite, enhance fat oxidation, and balance blood sugar levels, resveratone presents a comprehensive solution for those seeking to shed excess pounds. However, as with any dietary supplement, it is essential to exercise caution and seek professional advice before incorporating resveratone into your weight loss journey. Check the description to access Resveratone Diet.